it's just too bad that his dad is hoes. Got a little bit of sarcasm in him, but he keep the record spinning. Mia's keeping everybody else in check, and she does it with the water strider neck. Jay's got us head up in the clouds, and he's flying through the sky. Well, the guy's got a lot of energy, and he's burning up his enemies. Fire Max, insane, he's bringing the pain, yet there's ice in his veins.
Hey Jay, can I ask you something? Sure, what is it? It's just ever since we lost Master Will, Lloyd became the new master. Yeah, and I kind of like Lloyd being a new master. His voice is so funny. I know that. Anyway, Nia, how's the bike?
Doing great, and by great I mean finished. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? But I need someone to ride on it, and that person is...
Please say me, please say me, please say me, please say me.
Samurai X 2.0.
What? You're kidding. Please say you're kidding.
Sorry, Jay, I'm not kidding.
Wow. Anyway, where's Samurai X?
Calm down, brother. I'm calling him. Uh-huh. Yeah? Come here right now. He's coming right now.
Wow, that was quick. What? How do you do that?
Stop questioning him, Kai.
I'm here. Now what do you need me for?
I need you to bring this bike to Zayn. He's in the Temple of Resurrection.
I see. Guess I'll be going now.
Good luck, Samurai X.